stress on my mind. I'm doing just fine.
She a beautiful little something now.
Bye bye, Zion. Sometimes people say stuff that hurt your feelings and it's not in purpose. Not your stuff. And I'm just standing on rocks and just barely putting my feet in because remember the bacteria.
Especially with the like oh, watch the elephant bird as it does its elephant things.
Esto es Puerto Rico, esta es la tierra mía. Venga, yo le invito pa' que vacile de noche y día.
Why are you crashing out? So I for sure got the job. Oh my god. Oh my god.
When I say I'm outside, I'm not down the street out there having fun taking shots now. I'm literally outside.
Greetings. I just had an amazing interview. First of all, it's just beautiful.
Never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I've had enough of petty dues. I've had enough of shitty news. I had a thing.
Good morning, everyone. Well, I know this is chemistry, but since this is
Burn in daylight. Still love and still love. And still love and still